No trespassing. I don't know if we're allowed back here. And there's water here. Yeah. Oh yeah, there is water here. Wow, this is so cool.
Yeah, here's where the railroad bridge is, eh?
Railroad bridge? Old railroad bridge.
Oh my god, if you magnet fish up here, good luck.
Yo, I kind of want to go down there. See that, guys?
You good luck.
There must be a tunnel down there. Yo, look at that. Well, I think we're gonna this little area try. We're gonna go all the way down there. We're gonna go down here because I think there's a tunnel down there, right? Yeah.
Step past this line.
That is kind of scary.
Well, I nearly lost my footing
shit.
on this.
Dude, I gotta try metal detecting here.
This is beautiful. Well, the water
this
is
peaceful?
not beautiful. The water's
Wow.
disgusting, but I mean, I think it's
Yeah, I don't want to fall down there, guys. That'll be a death wish.
All right, I'm gonna go diving, guys.
Oh, train track. I'm coming down. Yeah, and all the electrical. I can take a look at that. It's pretty cool. There is? I don't know, I'm going down here. Ugh. Yeah, look at this, guys. This mat being dangerous. Something tells me I'm supposed to not be here right now. I don't know. Try this area over here, guys. This is, yeah, this came into a, it's just actually turned into, from being a magnet fishing video to a exploration video, because we are exploring the land of this old train rail and to try and find new areas. Yeah, look at that, guys. Wow, it's safe to see. So we're gonna give this area a try. I mean, if we don't find anything here, it's still fun, it's still peaceful, right? So yeah. See you in tune 2.